What's going on, everybody? I'm Ashes. Thanks for coming by for another video. As you can see from the title, we're bringing the S3 to Paso, and we're gonna get some testing in today. So if you're new here, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe button, stay along for the ride. If you're here again, go ahead and drop a comment, let me know, because this has been a journey trying to get this thing to where we want it to be. And I'm excited to get some test runs in today. So I'm gonna set the camera up inside the car. I already got teched in. Threw some note time on there, just in case anybody here wants to get some runs in. There's some people here from a surrounding city that I talked to that might want to get a couple of dollar runs in, you know, maybe pay for some gas, maybe lose money. So we'll see what's up. If you're new here, I do have a semi bolt-on hybrid turbo S3 with a Pro Flex tune from United Motorsports. I have some slight interior weight reduction, nothing crazy. But yeah, so today we're gonna do some test passes. I already got teched in. We're parked here, waiting for the homies to show up. I'll set you guys up in the car whenever we get some pulls in. All right, you guys, as you can see, first things first, we got the fresh new race squip helmet on, no more moto helmet. But you can probably hear it. I'm in the lanes. I'm getting ready to hit my first run of the day, test and tune at Paso. So let's get it, guys. I'm pumped. Should be a good day. Not gonna heat soak the car today, guys. We're gonna take it easy, take it slow. About one run an hour. So not as many runs this time, but should be better results. So let's get it, guys. All right, we're getting put in the lanes, boys and girls. We are getting put in the lanes. Going against a motorcycle. All right. Not bad, boys and girls, not bad. Let's get our time slip here. First run of the day. First run of the day. Thank you.
There we go.
All right, 11.5 at 126 with a 1760. Weird. I don't know where we lost our mile an hour there. All right, we're gonna try that again in second run, boys, but that one was a 126 mile an hour trap with 11.5. So until the second run, guys. All right, everybody, we're getting our second pass in for the day. And let's see how this goes. Not sure who we're going up against, but I am right lane, so you guys will be able to see left lane if it ends up being a good race. So obviously, if not, they won't be in the window. Behind a couple C5 Corvettes right now. Woo! See who I'm going up against. 1, 2. I think I'm going up against this C10 truck to my left. But let's see. Well, I just had a spider crawling on me that I had to kill, so that's cool. Yeah, I might be going up against the ctsv because this 340 just left the track. I don't know if he was having issues or not, so see how this goes. All right, you guys, they finally cleaned up that car at the end of the track, and I'm about to get up in the staging lanes, so let's get it. See, the second pass of the day. Looks like we're going up against the ctsv. Baby. All right, that was second pass of the day, guys. Thank you.
There you go.
All right, 11.4. So I guess improvement was improvement. I'll take that. 11.4 at 124. The mile an hour was lower on that one. Trying to figure out why. That is so weird. My mile an hour was higher at the 1,000 foot. I mean the 8th mile, but slower at the quarter mile. That is so weird. All right, boys, we're gonna do some minor adjustments here. All right, you guys, it's gonna be our 3rd pass of the day. It's honestly really freaking hot today. I'm sweating in here, but we're gonna give it what we can. Try to get a good launch on this one. Try and leave real nice. Man, all right, let's get our time slip on that one. God, it is so hot outside, guys. It is like damn near 80 degrees right now. Car says 75, but with no AC on, it's like 90. God damn. Okay, let's see what we got on that one. Turn the AC on a little bit, huh? Oh man. Oh, let's close that. Letting too much sun in. Had the freaking sun visor open. I don't know why I had that open. But yeah, I could feel the heat coming down today, boys. It's a hot one here. Thank you, man. Yeah, another 11.5 at 125. Very strange weather today. It's eating out of my middle.
What?
My 8th mile an hour is only 97. That is very strange. It's not really eating too much up at the beginning or at the top. It's eating all my power in the middle. That's strange. Don't you guys see that one? I don't know if you can see that. 11.5, 125. So, if you're new here, personal best is 11.0. So I don't think we're going to be beating a personal best today, not in these conditions. When I got to personal best, it was definitely dark outside in the 60s, so I'm going to see what the DA is right now, actually, while I'm on the topic, so you guys get an idea of what I'm actually putting the car in right now. Density, altitude, Famoso. Right now, you guys, it is literally 2200 DA. So I wouldn't say that is ideal conditions for a PB, but we're gonna have some fun. We're gonna do one more pass and probably head out of here. So let's get it. All right, you guys, we're getting ready to go for another pass. Probably gonna be the last one of the day. It is it's only getting hotter and the DA is only getting worse, so gonna head home after this pass, but let's see what we can do. I think we're going up against another ctsv, so it should be cool. Later. Bye, buddy.
Bye, have a great time.
Alright, now we can leave. I couldn't lose to that ctsv.
Respectfully.
That felt like a really good run too, actually. I'm happy I did that one back to back. I was able to adjust that shift, so let's check this time slip here. That CTS is kind of quick though, I'm not gonna lie, guys.
That pass we didn't get a printout.
Oh, right. Shit. All right.
All right.
Thank you. Damn, no printout on that one. That one felt really good too. Man, oh man, no printout on one of probably the best pass of the day, guys. So that'll be a mystery. best pass of the day is gonna stay a mystery. Man, that sucks. Well, that was really fun. We're gonna, I might do one more, but I'm gonna see what's up. I'm gonna go park the car. All right, you guys, we're gonna get my last final pass of the day in. We're going against the same ctsv. We were chatting it up. I want to have another good run. That was a really fun run. That last run, they didn't give us a time slip, so this time, you know, hopefully we'll get a time slip. But if not, we're out here just having fun with this guy. You know, meeting some cool characters out here at the track, y'all. Try to get a good started on this one, boys and girls. Probably gonna be the last pass of the day. It's 82 degrees outside. All right, let's go. ctsv to my left. God, he's quick. No, got us. My reaction time was beyond late on that one, but oh man, another good run. Thank you. Yeah, guys, another 11.5 at 124. I don't know if you can see that. Whew. Man, that last pass before this one felt way better than that one. Really curious as to what that time was. Don't expect it that it was a new PB or anything, but it definitely could have been bottom 11s like I've been before. Been 11.2 multiple times. 11.0 is the PB. Alright, it's gonna be like the boy who cried rough, because now this is my final one. Alright, let's go. Another ctsv run. Such a close race. God damn it. I think he got me on that one. Oh shit, that was good. God damn it, boys. Thanks, man. 11.60 at 122. Oh man, yeah, we lost mile an hour there, boys. 122, as you can see, at 11.60. Yeah, we're gonna call it there, guys. We're not gonna get a new PB out of this weather and conditions. I don't believe so. But we had fun. That race with that ctsv was super fucking fun. Hopefully he got a new PB, honestly. He said his PB was an 11.6 before that, so hopefully he got an 11.5, honestly. That guy leaves quick. I don't know if you'll catch that in the video, but it was the same ctsv that I ran like 2 passes ago. We're running a couple together, so just chat up with this guy right now and then probably head out of here, guys. So thanks for coming along this far, though. Let's go. All right, you guys, got my 1320 sun hat on. That's gonna wrap up today's track video. I want to thank you guys for being here, coming with me for another track day. Today, you know, it wasn't as exciting as it could have been, but all in all, it was a good day. We didn't break anything, and we had a couple good runs, met some new friends, made buddies with some Paso ctsv, had multiple good runs. You'll see, you obviously already saw those on the cam. But yeah, guys, I'll be back out next month. I'm gonna try to get meth injection before then, just because this heat, turbo cars don't like it, you know. I don't think personal best is gonna get smashed unless we can lower the intake temps a little bit, at least, because summertime in the 661, it's north of 100 degrees, guys, and that's not boost weather. So all in all, thank you guys. watching another video. Like, subscribe, hit the bell, whatever you can do. Leave a comment if you don't want to do any of that. Yeah, thank you. Till the next video, guys. Peace out.